我叫小盖，我是俄罗斯人，我在中国工作11年。我的工作是卖中国的有的是北到欧洲去。我的自己礼物为什么选择中国？我记得了一个朋友，他以前工作在中国，中国这是真的亚洲国家。还有他说经济提高很快，他说你也可以试试工作在中国。第一次我来中国2013年 ，shock impressive different people 文化。都不一样，很有意思。以前知道在中国只吃饭米饭，知道功夫。现在 all over the world speak about China, and right now too much Russian people drive a China car.
上面就是咱们奇瑞的广告，对了，对面的哈佛、长城、哈佛，还有吉利。
Too many Russian businessmen and people who work with China, they start study Chinese language, find it employer who can speak Chinese because just change world situation and economic situation. China grew up more fast, not just economic and quality production too. I just ask my customers, everyone say China's products quality change. Before we think it's low quality, made in China, cheap. Now it's changes. First, China's products not expensive than European or American products. Secondly, China's quality products right now, if not better, but a same quality with European or American quality. Some production quality more high. Right now, too many our factory equipment in Uzbekistan. 70% Uzbekistan market oil manufacturer use our machine, Chinese machine. 很高兴见到你们。Before we more focus Europe, right now we more focus for China.
我相信未来中国会发展的更好，欢迎来中国。